for an off-roading vehicle that's fuel efficient as well as technologically advanced. Greg here at the Woodys Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and you can learn why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So we have this 2019 brand new Jeep Cherokee Latitude Plus edition. You got that nice velvet red exterior color with that incredible grille, really accenting with all that chrome, as well as these incredible HID headlamps. They are, you know, they have the new look with the 2019 model up from the 2018. Looks a lot better. Under the hood, you have a 2.0 liter inline-4 engine for that good fuel economy, as well as these 17-inch alloy wheels with that spiderweb design. That looks amazing with this body style. I love it. Coming over to your mirrors, they are powered and heated. And coming into the vehicle, you do have keyless entry. Keyless entry. Coming into this brand new Jeep Cherokee, we have these leather heated seats with that nice sort of felt material going down the center. That feels amazing, as well as your driver's seat is powered, so that's amazing. Coming over to your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls on the left as well as Bluetooth streaming audio, and on the right you have your cruise controls with media controls just behind there. For your 6.5-inch touchscreen media center, brought to you by Uconnect. You have your AM, FM radio, satellite, if you choose to subscribe to that. Hook up those media devices, as well as there is your dual climate control unit. And just so many apps. You can drop features down if you choose to, you know. Maybe you want to get that backup camera, who knows. Heated seat and steering wheel controls, as well as there is your backup camera. So if you have any, you know, small animals, children running around, that's a great thing to have. As well as you can hook up those phones for that hands-free voice dialing and just so much more. Excuse me. Coming down, you do have climate control unit in button form, which is always good, as well as you can have all of those media hookups and the aux port, USB port, 12-volt DC adapter, and your select terrain management system. Snow, sport, sand, mud, whatever it is, this thing will tackle it, as well as you have that 9-speed automatic transmission with auto stick, cup holders everywhere, and a deep center console with a USB port and a 12-volt DC adapter with another level to throw those phones in. Very convenient. As well as you do have universal garage door openers. Awesome. And controls for your panoramic sunroof. And that thing stretches all the way to the back. It is huge. Just word of caution, don't have it open when it's raining. So let's go check out the back. Coming into the back, we have seating just like the front. If there is only two, though, you throw this down. Got nice armrests, cup holders galore. And you also have a lot of media-friendly stuff back here. You have a 115-volt AC adapter, USB port, and another USB port. That's two USB ports. Coming to the back, looking up, you have that roof rack with that lip spoiler to give you that sporty look, as well as all that chrome badging in the 4x4 Jeep Latitude. Dual chrome exhaust, as well as on your key fob, you do have power liftgate and remote start, so you don't have to leave your vehicle when it's really cold outside. That is amazing, as well as just look at how spacious that back seat, that trunk is. Those seats will fold forward to give you that much more space. As well as you do have a power lift gate. Wow. So you have everything with this brand new Cherokee Latitude. You have those leather heated seats, that fuel efficient engine, and that amazing media design. So if you want to see any of our brand new Cherokees, visit our website at WowWoodys.com or come and check out our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Greg. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.